أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعاديات ضبحا فالموريات قدحا فالمغيرات صبحا فأثرن به نقعا فوسطن به جمعا إن الإنسان لربه لكنود وإنه على ذلك لشهيد وإنه لحب الخير لشديد أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر ما في القبور وحصل ما في الصدور إن ربهم بهم يومئذ لخبير. Translation. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. By the snorting steeds, dashing off sparks by the strikes of their hoofs, making raids in the morning, and leaving a trail of dust as they dash into the middle of the enemy troops. Surely man is ungrateful to his Rabb, and surely he himself bears witness to it, and surely he is violent in his love of this worldly wealth. Is he not aware that when those who lie in the graves will be raised to life, and that what is in their breasts will be known? Surely their Rabb on that day shall be well acquainted with them.